Namaste. Om Gam Ganapati Namaha Jai Vasavi. Welcome back to our channel. In the previous video, we saw the one part of the kitchen chore. So today we'll be continuing the pending, that is the second part of the kitchen chore. In the previous video, we saw all the top cupboards. Now I will be sharing how I have organized my under countertop, that is the below countertop drawers here. So to begin with, as usual, we will start with Ma Annapurneshwari. So till here, we have finished the kitchen chore. The basket which I have hung here, we usually in the evening we place few hibiscus flowers here, that is the buds here in the evening, but in the morning when you get up, it blooms so beautifully, which is useful for my puja purposes. So for convenience sake, I've hung the basket there. And then I have a small chair here. So when I'm very tired, I just sit and sip my tea. And a four rack trolley I have here, where you can organize it in different ways. But I have kept for onions and coconut, potatoes, and garlic and all that. And I have a small brush here. Whenever I have little dry dust on the countertop, I'll just clean it with this brush because it's very easy to handle and very handy too. So I use this, and here I have a orbit sheet, and also a small paper you can see here I have stuck. Like whenever any item, if I have forgotten, I'll just note it down here to buy. Then I have few baskets on the fridge, which is useful for flowers and all that, for puja purposes and all that. And a urli, all that I have kept so that I on the fridge so that I can just use it very easily. Then this is the most beautiful part which I love, because I love traveling to different spiritual destinations and as well as different parts of the world for fun and enjoyment too. To hold the memory and experience, I opt to buy these magnet souvenirs from the different destinations. Then I have a tall unit here, where I can place all the big boxes and all for snacks and all that. Here I have the dry fruit sections. I have arranged few baskets here so that it is very easy to handle. That is the reason I have kept all this here. Then this green tea bags and all that. I have few popcorn packets and a few dry fruit boxes which I have arranged at the back. And then for seasoning and all that, I have kept these packets which we get it from Domino's, and few clips. When some mixture packets are when it is cut and it's remaining, we can use these clips. We can secure it with these clips so that it will be very crispy. So this is my snacks box. Easily we can keep it and take it. And then this is my snacks one only, but here I have oil boxes, that is puja oil, and then daily use oil. Then the rice keeper, Tupperware rice keeper, 20 kgs. So this is all about my tall unit. And then coming to the drawers, that is the below the countertop. Here I have arranged all the pans, kadais, all that sort of things I have arranged here, and few boxes. Then I have few trays here which I use only for puja purposes, and then few kitchen towels here. And then I have hung one bag here that is for milk. Then I have a bottle pull out where I have arranged all my bottles, and also a few boxes in the second rack. I have arranged few use and throw boxes, because if I have to pack something, it is very easy to take it. And then under sink cupboard, something like tawas, dosa tawas, chapati tawas, all that I have placed it here. Then a few, all the soap liquids, then dishwash liquids, brush, scrubs, and all that I have kept it here. Then in this drawer, all the cups, curry cups and dessert cups, a few Tupperware small boxes, and then small bowls, a few lids to just close and keep it. So all such things, all miscellaneous items, I have kept it in this drawer. Then comes the secondly, this comes all the bowls like for cooking rice, rasam, sambar, for mixing the doughs, tea bowls, all that. I have just arranged it in this second drawer. Then comes the cooker stand. I mean, two cookers I have placed it here, and small plates for these snacks and all that. For that, in this drawer, serves and then beater, all this chapati rollers, smasher for seasoning, then for kutni strainer. So all this which are very useful, I have kept it under the stove. Then this is all cookers only. One more cooker I have used it today, so that is not there here. That's it. So this also is cooker drawer. Then this is about all about the plates, dinner plates, as well as lunch, for all that, this drawer. Then comes the big vessels like 10-liter cooker, idli cooker, and then all the small plates and all, whichever is not used regularly, I have placed it here. I have some use and throw plates and all that. Tissue papers, I have kept it handy here, and few boxes for if anything I have to send it parcel. For all that I'm using this cupboard. Then in this drawer, I already told you that mixie, I don't keep it on my countertop always. As soon as I finish using it, I'll place it in the drawer because it should be neat. So this is about that. And then few school lunch boxes and all that, I have placed it here, and a spoon stand, brush, and many other miscellaneous items. Then I have a kutni here, onion cutter, which is very useful. Then all the extra provision items, I have kept it in these two big carriers. Then all the hot box, and the extra provision drawer. The one more drawer also, I'm using it for the same extra provisions for these two dabbas, big boxes I have here. So I keep all this extra things here. Then I have a toaster kept here. I usually don't use microwave oven. I have kept it on the loft because I don't like using that for heating. Usually I don't heat it also. And this all these are big bowls and big vessels, utensils, and big boxes. So all this I have kept in this drawer. This is about the drawers. And then I have a small utility here for like wash area. We usually, my maid washes all the utensils here. She'll wash it and just she will put it in this tub. I'll keep it for some time outside and then take it inside. This is about my small utility, and the cutting board also there only I have hung. This is all about my kitchen. Thank you for watching. Hope it was useful to you all.